So now that you have set up your account, we're going to go in and create a new class. You can do this via the app, or you can do it via the website, which is how I'm going to show you today. So you're going to start by pressing Create New Class. And from here, you will enter your class name and the grade level. You'll then tick the tick in the top right-hand corner, and your class has been created. If you look in the bottom left-hand corner, it says Journal. We are now on the journal page for your class. If you want to check that your class has successfully been uploaded, you can press your initials in the top left-hand corner, and you will see all the classes that you have available. At the moment, I only have one, which is the one we have just set up. And I can see that that has been successfully done. If I go back to the journal page, from here, what I'm going to do now is upload all the children's names that are in my class. So I'm going to press the spanner in the top right-hand corner, and I'm going to scroll down to the Students section. The second option down says Manage Students. We're going to press that. And from here, you're going to upload your students' names. You can add them one at a time. Or, to be much quicker, down the bottom it says Paste List of Students. If you press that button, you can copy and paste a class list into here, and it will add all the names at once, which is much quicker. So I've added my names on here. I'm just going to press the cross in the top left-hand corner, and I'm going to press it again, and it brings me back to the journal. Now nothing has changed here, but if I want to check that the children's names have been added, I'm going to click on the funnel, which is in the top right-hand corner next to the spanner. And that shows me my class list and everyone that is available on the class journal. You can see here underneath their name, it says 0 items, and that shows me that these children have not uploaded anything onto Seesaw yet. Also, from that funnel, we can also go down to Manage Students, and you can go back into here and you can upload more names if you need to. From this section, you can also remove students. So if I click on one of my students, I can change lots of different things on here, but I can also at the bottom remove student from class. So if you have made a mistake or if somebody leaves your class, you can come on and remove them. I'm just going to press back now in the top left-hand corner and the cross, and again to return back to the journal.